All right, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do it again. Kind of nostalgic in front of this tree. A couple months ago, we did an 8,500 mile truck. That was a 94. Put it all together, sold it to a good friend of ours. And this one kind of fell into my lap. My buddy Sean sent me this truck. It was in Ohio. It's an 89, never been touched. The frame is immaculate. 33,000 miles. We're gonna work with our friends at Billet Specialties and Ridetech again. I believe this truck is already sold. I'll know later this week or next week, but we're gonna bring you guys the whole build process. We're gonna do everything for you guys in a small little series on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.